وفاكهة مما يتخيرون ولحم طير مما يشتهون الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين. Fruits are commonly eaten after meal. Arda Hujjatul Islam Sayyidina Imam Muhammad bin Muhammad Ghazali alayhi rahmatullahi wali has stated, if their foods are at meal time, they should be served and consumed before food, as eating them before food is the beneficial from medical point of view. As fruit digest faster, they should be in the lower part of the stomach. Moreover, fruits have been mentioned first even in the Holy Quran. Therefore Allah Azza wa Jalla said, وَفَاكِهَةٍ مِّمَّا يَتَخَيَّرُونَ وَلَحْمِ طَيْرٍ مِّمَّا يَشْتَهُونَ, and fruits that they may like, and meat of birds that they may wish. May Allah Azza wa Jalla give us ability to act on whatever we learn. Whenever we have fruit available in meal time, then we should eat fruit before food. Amin. Bijay Khataman Nabiyyin.